Hi friends, like I'm getting connected to all of you. My topic for this episode is stay in touch और stay connected. मार्केटिंग का सबसे बड़ा उसूल है कि अगर आप दिखते हो तो बिकते हो. Whether it's an event, whether it's any advertisement which we see on any gadget, internet, TV, any show, it registers in our mind, in our subconscious mind. And it reminds us when there is a need of such kind of a device, such kind of a goods, consumable or anything like that part. So the impression is always created by what is seen or what is often seen. That's why I say stay in touch or stay connected is the keyword or buzzword for anything, whether it's a personal life, whether it's a social life, whether it's a business life, whether it's a sales, marketing job, or any other aspect of the business. The more you get connected, the more people will remember you. When they need anything, they'll say, oh, let me check with that person because he remembers you. If you have a work which is only once in a year, people will remember you only when that period comes, like tax returns. A CA may be remembered only when there is a tax return period. When it comes, then the person will remember, oh, मुझे अपने CA को contact करना है, उसको पेपर भेजने हैं ताकि मेरी tax return file कर दे. The same CA, if he is doing several activities for the client, for the audit, for treasury management, for any other substantive legal services, for guidance, for inheritance, then he is connected for not one reason of tax return, but every aspect of the life. And a stage comes when the client feels, the person feels, oh, why not ask so and so person with whom he is in touch 10 times to 15 times or 30 times in a year. So there is a repetition of understanding, repetition of nature, repetition of memories, help him to think, and subconscious mind always say, why don't check with so and so person. Similarly, if there is a doctor, good doctor, who is visible for any cause or anything, if he is in touch or he keeps on reminding the people, now your inoculation is available, you can get it done from anywhere. He is reminding you, but he is in touch with you for your health. He feels concern about it. So stay in touch and stay connected is to show your concern and welfare for the other person, and you can see the result as reciprocal in any aspect. You will be likable, you will be considered social, while you are doing it as a nature of your habit, which becomes later on. Not to get any monetary benefit out of it, but to create the confidence level amongst each other. To get connected, to stay in touch is the Mauer mantra or mantra for your lifestyle. It is not difficult at all. With today's world of digital age, do not wish anybody on a Facebook happy birthday. Pick up a phone and call him up to say happy birthday. The joy of the other person receiving the call will be 10 times more or 100 times more than getting a thumbs up or happy birthday on a Facebook or Twitter. These gadgets help you to stay in touch, but like a commodity. There is no personal touch, there is no humane touch in this. What stay in touch or stay connected means is humane touch. Call people who are old. How are they? Is everything okay? Can you do something for them? Even though they don't need any support, they'll feel so happy that someone is there to be with them if there is a need arises. Well, I am sure you have understood what I mean to say, that never stay in touch or stay connected for any intention of yours, because that's a more towards your personal need of getting a reciprocal benefit to you. But stay in touch, stay connected for a normal as human behavior, as social a person. And if I give you an example. There used to be a very good movie, Anand, where the main hero of the movie had a cancer and the doctor has said he will live only for 6 months. He used to pat on the back of anybody and everybody with whom he wanted to speak to, where you used to like the person and he wanted to speak to even if he was not knowing them. And to start the conversation, he used to say, "Hey Babu Mushai, कैसे हैं आप?" Other person will say, "मैं बाबू मुशाय नहीं हूँ." Oh sorry, कोई बात नहीं, बाबू मुशाय नहीं है लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And finally he gets another person who said, "Oh yes, I am Babu Mushai," who was equally joyful to reciprocate. We have to learn good things from whatever we see, but this one of the factors of stay in touch, stay connected. You can see the wonders yourself if you do it with no intentions. Thank you, my dear friends. I'll make sure that I stay connected with all of you with no intentions. Thank you.